What's up everyone? I'm Axel John Maligaya. So, I'm here today. Me and my team are here today to teach you about how to install Parrot OS. Notes, importantly, if you already have an iOS operating system, you are not required to download VirtualBox. You'll know what I'm talking about. So let's dive into the video. Let's go!
Good day guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Parrot OS on VirtualBox step by step in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will help you get up and running in no time. Firstly, open any web browser that is in your computer. Type in search tab, download Parrot OS ISO file. Click to open the first page. Move down and click on the live option and select the version you would like to use. After selecting, scroll down and click on download option and it will start to download ISO file. Next is open a new tab and search to download VirtualBox and click to open the first link. Click on download and select VirtualBox platform packages like for Windows and start downloading. After downloading, open the download folder and click the VirtualBox. Click on next and accept terms and licenses. Click on next option, click on yes, next, and finally you can install. When done, finish clicking on software, open it and click on new button, enter a name, example Parrot OS. Move down and click on other to select the ISO that we downloaded. Next, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM. Choose like 2 processors and next. Create a virtual hard disk for at least 20 GB of storage, and lastly click finish. Move up and click on settings. Under the general, click on advanced tab. Now choose bit directional option under shared clipboard, same as the drag and drop. Click on OK and start the virtual machine and boot from the ISO file. Select try or install option from the menu.
And now, click on the Install Parrot. Follow the on-screen instructions to set your language keyboard layout and time zone. Choose Erase Disk. This will delete all the data currently present on the selected storage device. But don't worry, this will not delete your entire data. This is only a virtual machine. Click Next. Create username and password. And then click Next. And lastly, click Install and let the installation process complete. This might take a few minutes, so you have to be patient. Once the installation is done, click on Power option and select Shut down the virtual machine. Click on Settings, then click on Storage. Select this ISO file and then click on Remove Attachment. Click on OK, and then here click on Start. Log in with your credentials and hit enter. And there you have it. Parrot OS is now installed and ready to use. Take a moment to explore the tools and features. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Parrot OS on VirtualBox.
Guys, I'm back. Congratulations, by the way. You have successfully installed Parrot OS on VirtualBox. If you find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Hit subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and bye.